Hello everyone, welcome back. Gen 1 is now available for all users, which means there is no need to join waitlist anymore. In this video, I will give you a demo of Gen 1 and show you how to generate video to video. So let's have a look at the video which I generated using Gen 1 before we dive into tutorial part. To use Gen 1, all you need is to create an account with Runway. Once you log in into their account, you will get 400 credits to use with Gen 1 right now if you create an account. And you will find this under AI Magic Tools. So let's click on this. Once you click here, you'll be redirected to this new page where you can create the video. The most important thing is it can only generate 3 seconds of video right now, and you will get some preset videos here which you can select and process it, but we will be using our own video. So let's go ahead and try that. To select your own video, click here and let's select this video. Once the video is uploaded, you will find your video here, and at the right side you have three things like image, presets and prompt. So while creating video you can also provide prompt and you can use image. So let's try with this image. So I'll just go ahead with this cyberpunk, and here you have few things. In advanced section you will see that you have upscale and remove watermark. This is for upgrade plan right now. You have interpolate, so you can use this, so generated video will be little have a smooth transition. And if you want to use this image only as a background, so let's select this background and we will use this compare wipe. Compare wipe will show the transition. So our video is ready. Let's have a look here. So you'll see that the image which we selected as a cyberpunk, right? It has only been applied to the background. So if you wanted to apply to the whole scene, you can remove it. Now let's try to apply to foreground alone and generate. So let's click on generate here. So our video is ready. Let's have a look here. So you'll see that this time only, the subject will be affected, not the background. So we will try a few more things. So let's have a go here. We have some presets here like claymation, watercolor, paper origami. So let's try this pen and ink. Okay, and we have selected pen and ink. And this time we will keep the entire. Okay, we'll not select anything. We'll just keep this interpolate and we will try to generate the video. So let's click on this again. So let's have a look here. Once we do not apply any foreground or background, so it will change the entire video. So let's have a look here. So we have seen now image and presets. Let's see how we can generate and change the video to video using prompt. So here I'm going with a girl dancing in a pencil sketch style. Let's go ahead and generate this time and let's see what results we get. So our video is ready. Let's have a look here. So it has a pencil sketch style as per our prompt, which we provided. So that's all for the day, guys. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button, share with your friends, and see you in the next video. Thank you.